Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 6 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with another chapter today, that is chapter number 20, Modern India. Now in this chapter they are saying, find out the dates of the events of the modern India, count 4 to get the next date starting from the first block. So let's begin with the exercise now. The first question given over here is, India became independent and it became independent in the year of 1947. The next is assassination of Mahatma Gandhi and it was done in the year 1948. Then India became a sovereign democratic republic in the year 1950. Fourth, First Asian Games started in New Delhi and it was in the year 1951. Then we have first general elections of free India and they were conducted in the year 1952. The sixth one given over here is Andhra Pradesh was formed on the basis of the language and it was the year 1953. Then the seventh question given over here is Indian states recognized on linguistic basis and the answer for this is 1956. Then we have the eighth question which says that India's first atomic research reactor inaugurated and it was inaugurated in the year 1957 though it was already formed in the year 1956. It came operational in the year 1956. Then the ninth one, introduction of the decimal system in rupee and this was done in the year 1957 again. So this is all about the various years. Let's now move on to the quick fact, and the quick fact says that the two self-governing countries, India and Pakistan, they were legally, now they came into existence at the stroke of midnight on 14th or you can also say 15th August 1947. Let's now have a question for you children. When did China attack India? And you have to write the answer here, date as well as the year. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.